AG Labs, my name is Ben. Good morning. Hello, welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. And today this beautiful morning, we just start by an iPhone 7 Plus repair, which was mailed in because it doesn't work anymore at all, and the customer needs the important data, and he needs a fully working phone. So let's check what about that thing. So here I got an ICC Pro, and I just want to check what the ICC Pro says about this device here. So dog flex test is okay. IC test for the USB control IC. Okay, and the additional test for short circuit detection. And okay, it says check VCC main. Let's see if this is really the case or not. We just open up the screws. And we open the device gently. And here we are. Device opened. So let's see if we really have a short on VCC main. We just start by taking out the shield on the bottom here, getting the screws here, taking the battery, and let's check the test point for VCC main. Geht's? One probe to ground, and we have a full short on VCC main. Okay, so the ICC Pro was right again. This is Andy next beside to me. He didn't do a YouTube video for a long time. Perhaps he can do a live stream today for an IMESA repair. What about that, Andy? Let's see if you give some comments, perhaps Andy can do this in a live stream. Okay? Yeah. Andy's not happy today. I don't know why. So let's get it to the output. And let's prove again. And yeah. Here we are. Where is here? Where's my screwdriver? I wanted to say. Let's turn on the dust absorber. We will need it in a minute. Just taking out all the screws so we can take out the board. And he's doing a daily recovery job on a UOY P30. Okay, here we are. Let's see under the microscope. take out the clue stickers on the back side. Come on, baby. Just want to lose the glue stickers without using heat, because I will renew them later anyway. Okay, let's check by using the thermal cam. And we go to the on hands camera. So here is my thermal cam, and a cable. Oh, and it's the baseband PMU. Shorted baseband PMU on an iPhone 7 Plus. I will get that now, baby. Boom! Yeah, and that's the reason why we only about 3 amps and about 55 ohms, and not totally to 0. And you can see that here, like an explosion. You can see. Okay, so we just need a Dunner board. Just need a Dunner board, and taking out this PMU and replace it with another one. Okay, here we are. See the bottom, okay. And let's take just another baseband PMU out of another device. Okay. And we clean the board. By using some wick. can see the surface is like a little damaged. So there was a little explosion under that. But we will get that. So now just a little cleaning here. And you see here, it's like a little burn, but only small. You see? Because of that, the solder on the bottom is kind of sticking hard, and it's one of these coated boards. But that's not a problem at all. It's kind of hard, but okay. That's totally okay like this. Here we are, looking good, fresh and new. Now we can just see the baseband PMU and give it a little rebore. Not the matching size, perhaps here. Yeah, here we are. So we take a little bit of paste and just give it a quick reflow, or a quick rebore, sorry. Done. And we take the baseband PMU out of the stencil, like this. Just a little flux and a quick reflow. Done. Whoa! But all is good, okay. And now we can get it back to the board. Some dirt here, you see. But now it's pretty okay. And we can get it back. Like this. Just some hot air. Placing the baseband PMU. Hast du die Daten? Geht immer aus, oder was? Geht immer wieder aus?
Ja.
Okay, done. Looks okay, I think. And now we can just check for a boot. And I can see how powerful our instrument, the ICC Pro, is, because you can see even from the outside without opening the phone in which area you should have a look for the solution of the error. Okay, so it said, okay, we have a short on VCC main. So the short has been gone. That's nice. Let's try a boot. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 Plus after no power, no boot, nothing, caused by a short under the baseband power IC. Okay, so and here you can see phone is working fine again. We have all the important data. The phone is fully working. I will now just do a complete functionality test, clean the board completely, get all the stickers back onto the board and get this device back to the customer. I hope you like it. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do it at the Board Level Repair School Germany or at our one-on-one online trainings. Just message me, ben@apfeldoktor.eu. And I would be happy to see you at our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And by the way, in my opinion, every technician in the whole world needs this amazing tool, the ICC Pro. So just order it on iccpro.de/em-html or at one of our resellers. I'm out. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.